I'm David, founder of Noisy Clan. We want to build products that inspire people to play more music. We decided to start by designing a better music stand.
Let's face it, traditional stands are a drag. They're heavy and awkward, and they can be ouchy.
The source of our pain began in 1911 when Sir So-and-so, what's-his-name, patented the design for what we now know as the folding or portable music stand. If by folding you meant sort of, and if by portable you meant bulky, then this was the stand for you. But after 100 years of broken latches and bloody knuckles, the design team at Noisy Clan could take no more. Introducing WeStand, the world's lightest, most portable, super fast, and functional stand for musicians on the go. Thanks to our patented design and carbon fiber locking legs, the WeStand weighs less than a bottle of water. It fits in your pocket, sets up in seconds, and is the only portable music stand that goes from tabletop to full standing height.
I spent years designing products for everyone else, from Apple to Audi. I know that a great design is only half the battle of launching a new product. The other half is manufacturing, but I assure you we are ready.
That's because we are already in small-scale production and can start mass production the instant this campaign blows past its goal.
Once our crowdfunding campaign closes, WeStand will begin shipping within 5 weeks. Thanks for watching. Check out WeStand and tell your friends about us. With your help, aspiring musicians can spend less time fiddling and more time playing.
We're so confident that you're going to love your WeStand that each one sold comes with a 3-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee.